Hi guys, Vicky here from Trylessmeat and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you a very simple bean rice recipe for complete newbies. So you're going to need some rice, we need a tin of beans. I'm going to be using black beans, but you can use whatever ones you want. Some kind of onions, so I'm going to be using spring onion, garlic and oil. If you don't want to be using oil or you're on an oil-free diet, you can substitute that for water and I'll show you how in a minute. So let's get into how to cook with this. Step 1, wash the beans. Step 2, cut up the spring onions and prepare the garlic. Next, we're going to add some oil into a pan. If you don't want to add oil, that's absolutely fine. You can add a little bit of water. Not much, just enough. And we are going to add the spring onions and the garlic. And we're going to heat this up and allow it to cook for 5 minutes. Next, add a little bit of water. So we've been cooking in these garlic and spring onions and we've got all this sort of garlicky water. What we're going to do now is we're going to take our black beans and we're going to put them in. Mix it round. Obviously you've got water, so it's all getting sort of like that black beany sort of garlicky, oniony taste. And we're going to put the lid on and we're going to steam these beans for about sort of 5 to 10 minutes. So we've allowed it all to cook for about 10 minutes. The beans have gone soft and all that onion and garlicky taste is all over all the food. So what we're going to do now is, I've got some rice that I've cooked before. I'm going to add 4 spoonfuls in, 1 pot of beans, and we are going to heat this up to it's piping hot, and then we're going to serve. And there you have it, lovely black bean rice. For new people, if you're not used to doing beans, I really can't recommend 1 tin of beans to 4 spoonfuls of rice. It's sort of like a nice consistency. You're not going to be too beaned out. You know, sometimes people say, oh, beans can make me bloated. This recipe is really good for that because you've got the correct ratio. So give it a go. If you make it, let us know. Put a comment down below. And for anything else Less Meat and Eco, click the subscribe button for future notifications.